When you're trying to lose weight, there's a standard playbook. You cut calories, you bump up protein, and you drop carbs. It's the same thing with dogs. They need a particular kind of diet that can keep the energy up while safely losing fat. Now, I've done a ton of reviews on pet food delivery services before, and I have to say that I like a lot of them. But when it comes to weight loss, they don't really adjust much. Now, my dog Max, he's put on a few pounds, and I wanted an option that would account for how his body would change. And there is a newer service, Mills Daily Packs, and it seems like they're made exactly for that. So I gave it a shot. And today we're going to go through my experience from customizing Max's box and getting it delivered to storing and feeding. And spoiler, it's been about 2 months since I started, and Max is looking much happier and healthier. Let's get into it. So imagine you go hit the gym, you work up a good sweat on the treadmill or the weights, and then your phone tells you how many calories you've burned. And then you immediately swing by the closest McDonald's drive-thru. Doesn't make a ton of sense, does it? And there's a saying that diet is 80% of weight loss. So let's just switch that up. So say you had a healthy meal plan that delivers grilled chicken and broccoli and makes it in a super palatable and appetizing way. It's not the most exciting thing in the world, but it's got some good spice. It's got some good flavor, and it's cooked to perfection. You already feel that much better, and you're more likely to actually lose weight. And that's what Mills is trying to pull off. Now, like I said, Mills is a newer brand, but when I went to their website to check them out, well, I really liked the idea here. Before you even sign up, there's a whole process to figure out what's the right calorie count, nutrient balance, and type of food that's ideal for your dog. So Max, he's a 7-year-old golden retriever, and before he started all of this, he was about 85 pounds. It's not terrible, but still a bit heavy. And I threw that in, and they asked if he was neutered, and you would think that wouldn't matter, but it turns out that whether or not your dog is snipped can swing their required calorie count by nearly 30%. It's crazy, I know. It's actually one of the big problems with buying some regular diet kibble from the pet store. They've got all these feeding charts on the backs, but it can way overestimate what your pet actually needs if they're trying to slim down. And the next questions were, how active is he? What kind of food does he like? And what is he allergic to? And then it recommended the salmon and vegetable packs, along with exactly how much he should have per day. Shipping was totally free, and actually the first month was half off. It's a nice bonus to not have to pay out the nose to try out some new dog food. So placed an order, actually got all 3 of their options just to try them out, and I waited for the delivery. And the box came about a week later, and opening it up, it was filled with all single packs. And this is what Mills is about. There's a ton of benefits to these things. For one, they pack up exactly what your dogs need each day, no more, no less. So it turns out that even if you are trying to be accurate with a measuring cup, scooping kibble can vary by a good 15 or even 20% per serving. And when you're trying to get your dog to lose weight, that can absolutely kill any progress that they've made, especially when the dog is smaller. Now, another thing that I've always had a problem with on other dog foods, nutrient loss. It's a real thing. Those big bags will throw out your back if you try to lift it, and it turns out if you leave dog food just sitting out exposed to the air, it'll oxidize and degrade. And yeah, you'll lose all of the nutritional value, but it can even trigger inflammation in your dog's gut. And there's going to be lower energy, their coat is going to get dull, and progress will eventually stall out. And it's not what I'm looking for. Keeping every meal separated and sealed actually supports weight loss on a chemical level. Now, as for the food itself, you just rip open the pack and pour it out. Each is meant to be served all at once a day. Very easy to remember. And also, it's really easy to travel with. I took him out to visit a family for a few days, and I'm so used to having to remember to pour out portions in advance or lug this giant tub of food in the back of the car. And all of this just fits in my suitcase. Now, like I said, I ordered all 3 of their recipes just to see what he would like. They're all gently cooked, so nutrients don't get burnt off. The chicken and veggies recipe is great for high energy dogs who need help holding on the muscle while they lose fat. The lamb and veggies works great for dogs with chicken sensitivities or a rougher digestive tract. And the salmon and veggies is ideal for inflammation, coat health, and tends to be the best tasting of the bunch. And I've heard of people even using it as a topper to get their pets interested. And let's just say Max was very interested. He absolutely devours all 3 of these flavors. And what's great is, even though it's lower calories than he was having before, I never find him whimpering or crying at the pantry begging for more. And the reason for that is twofold. One, The food is very high in protein and fiber, and that tricks the brain into feeling more full. And 2, every meal is coated in freeze-dried raw meat. Now, that might not seem like much, but to a dog, raw meat, even when freeze-dried, has this very strong natural smell and flavor that signals treat. And that's a big deal for picky eaters also, because the coating helps the food smell and taste more appealing, especially if they're used to high-fat kibble or your own table scraps. And don't worry, I know we all do it, even if we're not supposed to. Though if your dog is used to high-fat kibble or the table food, expect a bit of an adjustment period. Now, Mills themselves actually recommends a gradual transition to avoid upset stomach. So for the first few days, you can mix, say, a quarter Mills with 3/4 of your dog's current food, and then a few days later, flip that ratio, and then fully transition by about 1 week. And that's where their 14-day trial box is really useful, because it gives you time to see how the food tastes, how it sits in your dog's stomach, and if the portioning is right without committing to anything long term. Now, I actually reached out to Mills directly, told them I was doing this review, and they agreed to give me a discount link for viewers of our channel. It's an affiliate link, so it'll get you a discount at no extra cost if you use it, and it really does help out the channel. So if you do want to go check out that trial box, check the description in the comments below. Now, even after the trial, you can go for a follow-up adjustment box, is what they call it, which will give you another 2 weeks of food after that before moving to the full month. And like I mentioned at the top, this is one of the only dog food delivery services that can adjust a plan on the fly. After the first month, Max had already dropped a few pounds. I logged in, I updated his weight, and the whole order changed. And that really fixes one of the biggest problems I've had with other dog food services, where if your dog reaches a new weight, it's not really straightforward to adjust the diet, where with Mills, it's set up to let you change as you go. And I'm happy to report, after another month of packs, Max is now down to a flat 80 pounds, halfway to healthy weight. And I just ordered another round. Now, in terms of the cost, the pricing here is more per day than it is per bag. So for real tiny dogs under 15 pounds, you're looking at about $2.50 to $3 per day. Medium dogs fall between $3 and $4.50 a day. And then large dogs tend to land around $4.50 to about $6 or more. And for me, Max, obviously, he's a big boy, so mine came to a little under $7.60 a day. But the first month, you do get a 50% discount using the link below, so it came out closer to about $3.80. It's not the cheapest option that I found, but that includes the food, the sealed packaging, all the custom calculations, and the shipping. It's a lot more than just a bag of kibble, and it makes weight loss for your dog so much more manageable because you really don't have to think about it. There's no calorie counting, no measuring out, just 1 pack a day. And the pricing only gets more reasonable as time goes on, because once your dog starts eating less, portion sizes drop, and the cost goes down, you're not penalized for making progress. Now, I went through some reviews, and there's a couple of notes that I didn't deal with personally, but I'd be wrong not to mention them here. They do have the different recipes, but you have to go in and change it up manually. Not too much of a problem, but if your dog needs that variety, just set a reminder to make the adjustment at the end of the month. And after the trial box, it'll roll right into the full subscription. They'll shoot you an email to remind you, but if it isn't doing the trick, just remember that you need to cancel in advance. Plus, you can't exactly run out to the store if you need more. It's delivery only, though the whole idea with weight loss, both for people and dogs, is consistency. And bottom line is, if you've ever tried to lose weight yourself, you already know how difficult it is. Even when you understand exactly what you're trying to do, it's still so easy to slip up here and there. Now, imagine trying to guide your dog through that process. They don't understand why things are changing, but they sure do feel the difference. And that was the situation with Max. I didn't want him to feel uncomfortable or confused, and I definitely didn't want weight loss to come out at the cost of his own happiness. But at the same time, I knew that carrying all of that extra weight was putting some heavy strain on his body and affecting his long-term health. So helping him wasn't really about looks so much. It was just about trying to give him the best chance at a longer, healthier life. And so honestly, I'm glad I gave Mills a shot, because I like that they took the uncertainty out of deciding how to feed my dog. I just gave him a pack every day and the weight came off naturally. And as someone who's had dogs his entire life and has tried to play this game many, many times, that kind of simplicity and focus on overall health is a massive plus. Now, granted, weight loss isn't their main focus, but the diet definitely does help with that. And if that is what you're looking for, they have you covered. And if I haven't mentioned, they do cater to your dog's situation, whether they need to gain weight or lose weight. But for Max, he absolutely needed to lose weight. And this turned out to be the easiest ways I've ever seen to get him healthy again. So if you are thinking that your dog has put on a few extra pounds and you want to give the best chance at living their best life, Mills is the choice I would recommend. And that's all for this review. I hope you enjoyed it, and if you did, then I'd really appreciate it if you give it a thumbs up and subscribe to see more just like this. Also, like I mentioned earlier, if you do want to try Mills daily packs out for yourself, then you can check out the discount link in the description below. It's for sure the best offer they've got right now, so if you are thinking of ordering, it will help out. Also, if you are interested in working with us or sponsoring a future video, you can reach out using the email in the description below. Now, as always, I enjoy hearing your thoughts, so go ahead and leave any questions or comments down below, and I'll try and get back to them as fast as I can. Finally, guys, thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.